Hey, what's up guys? It's Jaylee Customs here. Today we're just gonna be doing a photo shoot, trying to get some rollers, and we'll be washing the cars before, so stay tuned. This is Yasmin's car here, Yaz.2is. This is the second car wrapped. We did it in light pink. Yeah, I love the quality on this new camera, way better than what I had before. I just got the other one because it was $100. I just want to test it out before I got into this. And this is my personal car over here. Yeah, I love this quality. Let me know in the comments what color y'all like to see next on this car, because we'll be redoing it real soon. I'm not liking how it turned out. Yeah, this quality is amazing. But yeah, I'll be washing this car, waiting for some other people, and we'll get going. Hey, what's up y'all? We're at the first spot now. So just wanted to go over my car for the ones that don't know. This is a 2018 Mustang GT. It has a performance package 1 with a 401k package, which included the digital dash, 355 gears. It does have a performance package 2 front lip. This is something that I added on extra after. VMS wheels with M&H 185 5018 tires, and Ford Star D5 beadlocks, 305 45 17 with ET Street R's. Has Euros as well. If you're all looking for Euros, send me a message. I can get you them for $4.94 through VLAN store. I am sponsored. Same exact thing that you're getting from S550 Euros for about $700. So it's a pretty good discount. The car has Cook's catted headers. They're 1/7/8 MRT H-pipe, and then I'm dumped after the H-pipe. It's lowered on iBox Sport lines, which drops at about 1.5 inches in the front, and then I'm on Steeda Progressives, which are lowering the car just 1 inch in the back. I did decide to keep some of the things black, such as the mirrors, the hood vents, the door handles, the roof. And this is a performance package 2 spoiler. I sold my performance package 1 just because I was tired of the look. I've had the same look for about 3 years, so I decided to do something different. Here's my IG for all my work. These are the seats. Let me show you all the digital dash. This is Yasmin's car, Yaz.2is. Second car wrap, so we did this one in light pink. Let me know what y'all think. We did leave some of the things gray, such as the mirrors, just to go ahead and match with the wheels. For the door handles and the roof, we decided to wrap black. Looks really good, especially in this lighting. Looks really light. Not too much of a strong or hot pink, which does not look as good in my opinion. And this is Tony's 2019 Mustang GT wrapped in gem blue. Some black wheels, looks great. Tinted headlights, tinted taillights. All matches really nicely, goes real well together. All right, so this is the second spot. Another great background. Still shooting some clips for cinematic. Can't wait to post these, man. They're gonna turn out amazing. The background is green, but he's planning to tone down the colors while he edits. It's gonna look great. I definitely need to find more spots because I'm running out of content on my IG. I don't know where else to take photos. I go to the same spot every time.
I'm about to give you like 30 pictures.
This is a cool Yo, look at this. This is a cool cinematic trick, huh?
Oh, yeah. There you go, bro. You learned.
Man, that's kind of cool. But yeah, once I get this cinematic stuff down, because this is something I've always wanted to learn, it's going to be really cool. I really want to make this part of my YouTube channel. Vlogging, car meets, rap tutorials, tips, tricks, cinematics, all that cool stuff, man. If y'all haven't already, go check out his IG, Houston Drivers. He's great work, man. Great prices too. All right, y'all. Finished with the photo shoot. Cannot wait to see how they turn out. He says the turnaround is only a day or two, which is incredibly quick. Can't wait to see them. He's putting together pictures that he edits, as well as a clip, a cinematic clip. So that's just gonna look super cool. Definitely be looking forward to posting that soon, because I have no more content for my page.
Format memory card for data integrity.
We'll get gas and then I don't know. Thank y'all for tuning in on this video, and catch you on the next one.